And we'll introduce you to a Tulsa couple who created a new way to limit pollution from oil wells.
Craig Brown bought a camera to inspect old abandoned wells, fix them, and put them back online. That is, until he got COVID and had a lot of time to read and research.
The process we're using right now does not work. The cement will crack and the methane will migrate to the surface. He
and his partner Ann Koppel went to several area specialists to create the brass hydraulic compression seal.
This seal that we've developed will shut off 100% of methane gas.
A seal just like this one is being tested at TU. If it were to leak, an alarm would go off, but it's been set for 119 days under 200 pounds of pressure, exposed to all different weather conditions, and it hasn't budged a bit.
We have grandchildren, and we don't want them to have to clean up this mess.
Koppel says first they run the camera through the pipe to search for holes and pick the best place to set the seal. As high pressure is applied, the outside seal casing expands to lodge itself to the well casing wall, with its bond filling any crack.
Our process doesn't require any heavy lifting. Women can do the job as easily as men.
The Oklahoma Corporation Commission has approved the seal for plugging wells drilled for the production of oil, gas, disposal, or enhanced recovery wells. Once it's been set, the OCC says 10 feet of cement must be placed on top of it. The process takes about 3.5 hours. Brown says he's partnered with the Osage Nation, which is currently conducting a study on the seal. A study by McGill University says Oklahoma has more than 280,000 unplugged and plugged AOG wells. Reports show more than 17,000 wells in Oklahoma are abandoned.
I grew up drilling these wells, working on oil wells my whole life. We didn't do this thinking we were damaging the earth. I promise you that.
Ashlyn Brothers, Oklahoma's Own, News on 6.